Hello everyone, welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I'm just doing a quick video because I can't do the live today, so I'm just going to do this just a cutting video of the last soap we did, which was the attempt at the Ghost Swirl. Here is the individual bar that we made. It came out kind of cool. You see the dark and the light. It's of course not going to be that swirled because it was just what was left over poured into this individual mold. And here is the column mold that we used. So I'm going to go ahead and carefully peel this apart, and then we will get the soap out, and hopefully we will have some kind of design in there. We'll see. And if this doesn't work, I'm just going to keep right on trying, because I really want to see if I can get this to work. So here it is, and here you can see on the side where I was saying that we got the layers during the video. It layered itself much better than it did the first time, and that's the bottom, and then here's the top. So I'm kind of hopeful for this one. We'll see. And this smells really good. It has that really fresh, this is the cotton grass from Nurture Soap, and it has a really fresh, like, springtime green scent to it. Alright, I'm just going to try really hard not to, well, basically to get to get all 4 bars. Okay, try cutting this. Okay, so here's the first one. This is the bottom, and you can see it does have, you see that little petal right there, that little petal there. So that did start to come out right, and look at this. It worked. Oh, I'm so happy. Look how awesome that is. We didn't use any dye or anything. And here's the next one. So this is the mirror image of that first one we just pulled out. And here's the other side. Now this one, the pattern is not as noticeable, but you can still see it. There's the center, and then here's the little petals going around. So that's pretty cool. And then this is that mirror image of the black one again. Here's the top, and that has a really well-defined flower. Look how cute that is. That looks really awesome. I'm super happy that this worked. And then here's the mirror image of that one again. You know, the flowers and then the little extra little petals around. That's so cute. And then here's the top. We just kind of shaved the top off of it, so it's got a little bit of an irregular top. But I can probably plane this down and make it smooth. But yeah, so this works. So you can do a Ghost Swirl in a column mold if you're really fast. And yeah, it worked. I'm so glad. So awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this right away. I'm probably not going to do any editing or anything. I just wanted to get it up so you guys could see. Look how cute. That's so perfect, especially when people want soap that doesn't have any color in it, but you know, they want pretty soap. So that smells really good. And there's that last one. Anyways, thanks you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out if you're new here. And I'll be doing another live probably on Saturday. Or if not, I'll try to do a quick video. We're just going to have to see and play it by ear. This week has been really chaotic. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!